Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing this amazing hair growth hair oil and also a butter that will help you to boost your hair. We are going to be using just one ingredient. So these are all my hair struggles and how I achieve growth back on my hair, my edges and hair growth. So if this all sounds interesting, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's get started. So guys, here is our ingredient. We are using 3 tablespoons of oregano powder, and I'm also going to be using avocado oil for this as my carrier oil. We need a clean jar just like this. So I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of oregano powder into this mixture. Then I'll be using 2 cups of avocado oil to this mixture. If you have grapeseed oil, if you have olive oil, if you have coconut oil, if you have sunflower oil, depending on oils you have in your house, you can use that. I'm also showing you all how I do my avocado oil. Here are the benefits of oregano for hair growth. It is a rich source of biotin. It activates your hair follicles to enhance new hair growth on brow area. If you're having thin edges, this recipe is for you. If you have alopecia, this recipe is for you. So guys, I am going to allow this to set for 12 hours, and after 12 hours I'll show you all what our oil looks like. You can also do the double boiler method for this if you want to use the oil immediately. Oregano promotes hair growth and it treats hair loss, and it also treats dandruff. It strengthens your hair follicles. So I'm just mixing the two together like this, and this is what our oil looks like. I'm going to cover the jar and leave this to set for 12 hours as I said earlier on. If you want to use this immediately, you can put this as a double boiler method. I'm going to put it somewhere up so you guys can see. This is after 12 hours. My oil is ready. Okay guys, so this is what the oil looks like. I'm just straining it using my eye to strain this, because you can use your cheesecloth for this to remove the shaft from the oil. This is what our oil looks like. I use this to apply on my hair every single day, and the result was really amazing. And yeah, so the next clip we are going to see is how I used oregano oil to make an amazing, soft, beautiful hair butter. So here we are going to be using shea butter for this recipe. This is my shea butter. I will be using 1 tablespoon of shea butter, okay, for this recipe. This is my measuring spoon, so I'll just scoop out the shea butter I need for today's recipe. Guys, shea butter has amazing benefit. It helps to hydrate your hair. It helps to put more nourishment to your hair. So I'll add my moringa oil to my shea butter, then we'll melt these 2 ingredients together. All right, so guys, please keep on watching. So far, I put my oil in a pot just like this, just to melt it. Then on your lid and put a little water under your pot. Then keep on stirring it so you can melt the butter together with the oil, so that 2 of them can marinate or mix together. And when this is what you have after it's been melted, we're going to keep this in the fridge for it to cool down. And after it's cooled down, we'll use our mixer to mix them. So far, this is after a few hours of it being inside the fridge. and I'm just going to mix everything together. This butter is so soft, it's so fluffy. Guys, when your hair is dry, use this and it will put back moisture to your hair. All right, so these are the 2 ways I use moringa for an amazing hair growth treatment to help to treat my hair loss. It also helped me to regrow my edges. It also helped me to nourish my hair from being dry. Guys, I use this and it's always amazing for hair growth. Those are also the benefits of avocado oil that I use to this recipe. Give this a try and let me know in the comment section. Remember guys, I'll be here showing you all natural ingredients to promote your hair growth, to promote your hair to stop your hair from shedding. There's a difference between hair shedding and hair loss. Okay, I will do a sit down video to discuss that with you all. Thank you all so much for the subscription. We are all in 50 subscribers, 50 plus subscribers and counting. Thank you all so much for watching, and fam, I will see you all in my next video. All right guys, so this is me just putting it in my clean plate just like this, and this is our finished product. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. It helps YouTube to promote my video more, and comment and share. So take care of yourself, lovelies. Always be beautiful. Our natural hair makes us always beautiful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.